Alright guys, today we talk about Tears in Heaven by EricClapton, and we will take a look to the A part and the bridge. We have two pickup notes coming from the intro section and going into the A section. So 3, 4. 6 string open and 6 string second fret using the hammer-on technique. And then A chord. So a little hammer-on pull-off on the second string from the second fret to the third one with the index and middle finger. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next chord is E major with the bass of G sharp, going into F sharp minor 7, then A with a bass on E, D with a bass of F sharp, A, E, A, bass on E, and E7. I will repeat very slowly this A part. 3, 4. Let's take a look to the B section. We have two pickup notes, A and B, going into C major. So it's like 3, 4. The right hand pattern is pretty much the same like in the A part. Thumb, index, and the middle finger and ring finger on the third and second string. So 3, 4. Next chord is G on B, A minor, always with the same pattern. D on F sharp, G, D on F sharp, E minor, D on F sharp, G, so again C, G on B, A minor, D on F sharp, G twice, E major, A on E, and finally E7. I will repeat very slowly this bridge part.